Logically, our next way is to become public speaker offline. This will allow you to grow your audience tremendously. The reason for that, the offline public speakers have more recognition than online public speakers. Those communities are more established, those communities are ready to listen because they come through some distance, through some difficulties. So they left home, they probably buy the tickets, so they have more willingness to listen and stay at the event when they're listening to you. In fact, on many events, somebody already primed people before you, so people already have certain level of mood and they're already excited. However, this opportunity is not for all. You really need to learn how to speak publicly. Yet, there are plenty of courses, there are plenty of ways where you can start without any preparation, and those opportunities are really widely available. So don't hesitate and become a public speaker as soon as you feel that you have potent, powerful ideas to share with the community. And I think that this is one of the ways how you can refine your personal brand, because first of all, in the personal brand, you need to know who you are. You need to feel your ideas. You need to feel the necessity. You have this urge to speak about these truths which you hold in you. Therefore, this public speaking opportunity will be a powerful way to test your ideas, to see how people react to them, and sometimes just rephrase or rearrange your message so that people listen more attentively. Because many times we have beautiful ideas, but we have no idea how to articulate them. And in this way, public speaking events, especially small public speaking events, can help you to see how people react to different ideas. As well, public speaking coaches can help you to build the message and the story, which is way more effective. For example, in my program, we work on the story a lot, and it allows you to understand how to use your story in your content, in your written content, in your videos, and for public speaking as well. So, public speaking is a powerful way to grow your audience.